Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I got me a new hot pot. It's the Lee Pro 4-20. Already put it up here, but it's pretty easy. Everything comes assembled. The only thing you have is a little knob that you screw in, and then besides that you have a little manual here. So I filled it up with as much lead that will fit in it. I'm gonna see how long it takes for it to melt completely, and then we'll check it out. All right guys, I got a stopwatch going on, and as soon as I plug it in, I'm gonna turn the stopwatch on. All right guys. This is the 5-inch one. So here's the new melter. It came all installed and everything. All you had to do was put this on there and then adjust this for the flow. A Lee 4-20. So I'm gonna see how long it takes to melt it. I got a bunch of lead in there. I'm gonna see how long it takes to melt. It can hold 20 pounds. I don't think that's 20 pounds, but I put a bunch of lead in there. So I'm gonna put a timer on and I'm gonna see how long it takes. All right, so I'm plugging it in right now. I hit the timer. So I'm gonna put it on a time lapse and we'll see how long it takes. The setting is on 8. I'll put it to 9 right now, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, so it's been, let me check the timer here. It's been 21 minutes, and it's about halfway full. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put more lead in there. But from this test is it takes about 20 minutes from what is that? It's a 20-pound deal. So about 20 minutes for 10 pounds of lead to melt and get ready to pour. So that's pretty fast if you think about it. This is brand new. First time I plugged it in. I put it on, I think it's, yep, I put it on 9, on the setting on 9. But yeah, it took 20 minutes for half of it to fill. All right. Also wanted to mention that it is cold as heck here right now in Washington State. I think the last time I checked on the phone, it was like 32 degrees or something like that. So the lead in my shop here has been freezing. So it's been really cold in here. So I'm not sure if that had anything to do with how long it took. But like I said, 20 minutes to fully melt 10 pounds of lead. Not too bad. I mean, 20 minutes. All right, guys. Hopefully you liked the video. That guy Skimpy. Please subscribe.